I'd like to show you how valuable it is to store attributes with blocks. Let's imagine that for some reason we wanted to present this tank, this side view and top view of a tank, and maybe even the seats on, say, an A1 sheet. I've made a block of that group. I'll just go to Properties, and you can see I've called that Tank and Seats. So if we go into the Pages palette, the presentation, and we say we want to select a page, I've set one up called Rainwater Tank A1, and here we are looking at a blank sheet. I'll roll out a little so you can see the edge of the sheet. What I now want to do is to bring in a drawing, a block. So Draw, Insert Block. I'll go Blocks and Add from File, and I'll pick it up from my Blocks folder. So I'll go up into the Blocks folder. I've put this one called A1 with attributes, and I'll open it, add the whole drawing as one block. So this is coming from an external source. I shall close it, and now it sits there ready to be inserted. So I'll go OK, and in comes the block. And you can see it nearly fits the A1 sheet, which I've set up previously as a page. So let's put it in at coordinate 0, 0, and in goes the block. I'll deal in a moment with attributes, but what we want to do is to put our side and section view of the tank and the seats on this sheet at a defined scale. So it's Draw, Insert Block. You remember we made a block earlier called Tank and Sheets. I'll tick this Specify on Screen box, so when I bring it in, I'll bring it in and OK it. Can't see the block dragging with me at the moment, but if I just click it, and as I drag, you can see there's the block showing. That's at a scale factor of 1. What we want here is 0.1 would be 1 to 10, so we'll try 0.02 for a 1 to 50 scale. We'll see how we go. And there it is at 1 to 50, and that's left me plenty of room to put other elements onto the page. Now, so that block sits there quite happily. If I needed to, it's gone in at 1 to 50. If I needed to change a scale, I could simply rescale that, but I digress. What I want to show you is the value of, if we go to Settings, of Attribute Edit. I can simply go to Settings, Attribute Edit, pick the block, and up pops the attributes associated with that block. You can see I've got first line already in. If I pick Sightline 2, which is the name of the attribute I happen to give it, might have been better to say second line, but we could then say we put caps lock on. We could then type location of site and OK it. And automatically, in whatever color and text height and font and position on the sheet I've set up, automatically goes in. And we can edit that at any time we want. Just right click, repeat, attribute, edit, click the block. We could say change this to Mr. and Mrs. Blogs. So you can see how easy it is to edit attribute information in your title block when you take the trouble to set attributes up.